What's up YouTube, it's your boy Morigorilla today, and sorry for the noise, but so today we are going down and I'm going to show you a package that has arrived, which is, but obviously a motorcycle part. So I'll show you what that is, and yes, let's go ahead and check what do we have. See, my motorcycle is well covered because I don't want it to get dirty after yesterday's video. And if you guys have seen my previous videos, I have promised that I'll be uploading a new video every day. So all I need is your support. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, share it if possible as much as you can, and that will keep me motivated and help me produce new videos every day for the next month. So let's take this challenge up, and I'm promising you guys as well that I'll be delivering you this. Okay, so thank you so much. So the part that we are going to be installing needs the foundation bolts on the engine up here and down there. You can see there are 3 total bolts. So this is the one hole bolt and nut. This is one bolt and nut, and that is the other side that has one bolt and nut. And beware that your bike is not warm or hot or anything. Just make sure that you have not started your bike is cold as F, because oh my god, as you can see over here, while opening this one, my other hand was over there and it just touched on the exhaust pipe for just like a millisecond, like this, and this is what it turned out to be. So yes, बर्नॉल साथ में रखो, लग सकता है अगर बाइक चालू करके करोगे तो, otherwise nothing else. And now that I have told you that which all bolts I have to loosen up or remove, you guys might have noticed or guessed it by now what the part might be. I'll just go ahead and show it to you. So the part that we have is from JB Racing. Thanks to Bandidos Bandidos Pitstop for sending this. This is the Defender leg guard for the Interceptor and the Continental GT, and I'll be showing you guys how to install this, because there's no video of showing how to install this one, because even I was unaware. And this is a DIY at your home which you can do. Just make sure your bike is cold, not hot or not running before you do this. They also supplied good quality Allen key bolts, as you can see, to replace those. And this one is to join both the leg guards together. So let's go ahead and install this. So the stock bolts are out. As you can see, these 3 are the stock bolts and these 3 are the ones provided by Bandidos Pitstop. So this Allen key is a H8 Allen key. I'll show it to you. This one. Alright. And these are probably 16 number lock nuts. So the quality is really good. You can see there's a rubber washer in there as well. Everything is good. This is not a one-man job, because you have to hold the other bolt, the nut from that side, and then undo this bolt. And despite just because the engine was hot, I couldn't do it alone, but I still managed to do it. I just nudged my 14 number fix spanner, or as you can say, a fix spanner over there, and I just did it anyhow. And now comes to the right. So this is, okay, I'll just zoom out. Alright, so this is the Defender leg guard. This one with the extended portion it comes on the right side. I'll just show it to you just now. Right, so just slowly nudge it in, don't scratch anything or so this one comes over here, that one goes down there, this over there, and the other one it intersects, and you just have to bolt it down in this hole that you can see. So I'll fix it and then show it to you, because I don't have a tripod or anything, or any kaam wali bhai or kaam wala ladka. So it's just one man army. I'll go ahead and install it and then show it to you. Okay. Right. So success on the left side. So you have to install the left side first, and then this one, the one with the extension which goes in. So this one goes later on, and that is on the right side. This one is on the left side. It fits perfectly. While tightening this bolt, my face was this close, like I could see it, and I was like, oh my god, I should be away. So yes, not a tough job, almost done. Now I'll install that side. I'll intersect the guards over there, and then I'll be putting the main bolt in. Right, so we are finally done installing the defender leg guard from Bandidos Pitstop, from JB Racing, supplied by Bandidos Pitstop, and it is not an easy fix. Definitely worth it though. The leg guard is pretty big, and as you can see, my brake lever and my gear lever are out of the way. So first that will hit the ground will be the leg guard, so that will definitely protect the motorcycle. And you can see it's pretty neat, like it's not too big, too small, not too small like that, like one of those engine crash, fake crash bars that people put. And neither it is as big as it makes your bike look like a bullet. This is good, I really like it. I still have to tighten the 16 number bolts down there, because I didn't bring a 16 number spanner. And that's about it. Over here it still hasn't gone in completely, so I'll get that fixed by some professional, because I've just done this at home right now. Looks great.